This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so next topic is under special procurements, it's a returnable transport package. Okay, so under special procurements, so far we discussed subcontracting PO, we discussed consignment, we discussed pipeline PO, we discussed. Next is returnable transport package. Okay, so we'll see the another topics. So what is returnable transport package means examples whenever you place some orders to the vendor, okay, after vendor delivered materials, okay, some of the vendor materials are there, okay, we need to send it back that vendor. So that is materials is not belongs to ours. Those materials we will use this under returnable transport package. I will explain. So you just unmute yourself, right? So whenever you want to talk to me, you can mute and you can.
Okay, okay, sir.
Mm, otherwise disturbance will come. Okay, thanks. Okay, returnable transport package means examples. You place some gas to the vendor. Okay, so vendor, whenever you gas is 100 kgs or maybe you order to him, vendor is supplied gas. Okay, 100 kgs maybe cylinders is delivered. So for per cylinder is a 10 kgs. I'm saying roughly 10 kgs into 10 cylinders. So 10 into 10, 100 kgs. So we ordered 10 kgs gas. Sorry, 100 kgs gas is delivered materials. I mean gas. So 10 kg cylinders into 10 pieces. So 10 into 10, 100. After you used gas, then we need to send it to empty cylinders to the vendor. We need to return it. So that is for returning materials purpose. We need to use this returnable transport package. You can say gas or you can say examples. Maybe water cans are there. So in our office also. So drinking water cans and all you will supply that. So say for something. After that empty cans you will come and collect it because only we make the payment for only waters. Bottles, empty bottles, you will come and deliver it. So at the time of delivery, 20 water bottles. So once the empty bottles is once water we use it, the empty bottles you will come and collect it. So that is not belongs to our materials. So those materials we can use under this returnable transport package. That is only written. So, okay, so now see the process flow here. First we have to create materials. So maybe you can create one materials. Another materials we should be create material type is a LEH. That means returnable transport package. One materials you can create any finished materials or whatever raw materials or something. But another materials we should be create material type is a LEIH. So that means if you use raw materials, ROH, finished materials, we get, but LEIH under if you create any materials, that material goes to vendor. It is not ours. That is a LEH. That is returnable transport package. Anyway, we'll see in practically this material type also. Then you will understand. Okay. The vendor creation or maybe existing vendor also we can go info record here also. Okay, we'll go info record only. When we log into the system I will explain about what are the in info record we have to do. Okay, next purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification. These are all normal process only, no changes anything like special procurement something we need to select item category something, nothing here, standard purchase order only. But whenever you're doing goods receipt there is a some additional some it's not standard view how we will receiving materials. It's a different way for this returnable transport package. We'll see in practically. Okay, now we'll go to in system. Okay, username. That's okay. Okay, so let's see examples material creation first. Okay, so now gas is there. So okay, yes. Okay, Bharat gas. Okay, this is okay. Mechanical engineering here. I will take this is a finished metals. D1, P2 is my finished. Gas is my finished products. Okay, enter. Okay, plant is same thing. D1, S1. Okay, then bar of gas. Okay, unit of measure kg gas is. Okay, metal group is 0001. Okay, purchase group is 001. Okay, plant nothing. So we'll go for here. Finished metals valuation class is 7920. Here per kg gas is I'm going to maintain. Let's example 300 rupees roughly. Okay, enter and save. Now see, now we ordered gas. He will supply with the gas with the cylinder. So first, what vendor materials we are receiving, what are the material, that material should be there in our databases. Like vendor is supplying with gas cylinder. Okay, we need to be enter cylinder here. We need to be select that. So I will show you how to where we are entering that cylinders under at the time of goods receiving time, but we should be enter, we need to be create materials that we need to see. Like examples, Bharat, I will take this only, gas cylinder. Okay, it is in Bharat. Okay, okay, then I will make it as a cylinder. Okay, set. Okay, cylinder. So here we need to be create. This is cylinder is a vendor item. It's not our material. So whichever we are sending back to vendor, that material should be LEIH. Under that we need to be created LEIH. So here, if we have one material type, we can use this returnable transport package. So first we can select this one, returnable transport. If we going for standard also, this LEH we should be assigned to our plant. Then only it will. Otherwise, whenever we creating goods receipt, we will get error. I think I have created one also. I'm not sure if it's there or not. We'll see. Okay, go to position LEIH. Okay, returnable transfer package. Go to select material type and go to value and quantity updating. Okay, position. Enter our plan to D1 P1 my plan. Okay, anyway, it is there already standard. Okay, no problem. So I will go for create here bar cylinder under LEH. Okay, same metal grade, no changes anything. So D1 P1 storage location. Okay, bar cylinder. Okay, here piece per cylinder. Okay, empty cylinder. Metal group is 0001. Okay, purchase group is 001. Okay, here this valuation class for returnable transport package 3050. So far we discussed the raw materials for 3000 or finished materials 7920 or 25. So finished made semi-finished 790010, 79007910. So here for returnable transport package valuation class is 3050. So only one is a standard. So automatically came here because metal. But price control V only, but it's a valuation class is different. See 3050. Okay, then I will enter cylinder, empty cylinder cost 1000 rupees. Okay, so now material is created. Material creation is over. Vendor is existing vendor, anyone we can go, no problem. Next is info record. Whenever you creating info record, cylinder it's not required. We need to be whichever the finished materials only. We have to make the prices here. Let's example ME11. Okay, so what we created Bharat gas is that's a cylinder, no need to be linked like mm, vendor. So vendor is examples. So maybe Bangalore vendor. Okay, okay. Let's say Bangalore vendor 3. Okay, purchase organization D1 to 3, but plant D1 P1. So here nothing to select anything. So go for standard only. Okay, vendor material. This is our whatever you're going to buy materials that needs to be entered here. Cylinder is a vendor materials. Then no need to be the info record for that materials. So okay, enter. Okay, so plan delivery time. Let's say examples here. 500 kgs, minimum 500 or okay. Here I will make it 300 per kg. Okay, and okay, save. Even purchase order also same. No changes anything. So directly go to ME21N. Okay, so Bangalore vendor 3 is our vendor. Enter. Okay, purchase organization group company code. Then item overview here. Here we need to enter finish and what is you are going to purchase the material. That means Bharat gas. That's it. Okay, let's examples 200 kgs. I'm going to giving order vendor. Okay, delivery date to 15th July. Net price 300. Okay, plant D1 P1 storage locations D1 S1. Okay, BB 00 300. Okay. Okay. This way, backend I created one, so that's the reason it is showing KK12 for grass price. No problem. So we'll see that is also how we'll going. Okay, now I'm going to save this purchase order. Okay, now PO created 672. Okay, let's go to goods received. Here we need to be enter cylinder 672 PO number. Okay, goods received. Okay, 672. Okay, let's examples. Now 200 kgs we ordered. Vendor he will supply with the cylinders. This gas 200 kgs. So he will brought 20 kgs one cylinder. So 10 cylinders he will come. 20 into 10, 200 kgs. So how we will enter the cylinder here means that means so this is one item okay. That means it's a 200 gas we accepted. Okay, kgs. So now we need to enter cylinder here. Transport equipment one icon is there. Whenever you click these items, okay, that is goods receipt C. Now goods movement type is 101 will come because this with PO we are receiving gas. This cylinder is not belongs to us. So whenever you entering materials here, the cylinder, the movement type will come 501 M. So okay, goods received with PO. sorry, goods received with movement type 101. Okay, then additional for cylinders. Okay, that may be returnable items, whatever it is. Returnable transport high case materials is 501 m will come. Okay, cylinders. Then whenever after you sending back empty cylinders, now whenever he is supplying materials with gas, these cylinders 101 plus 501 m will come, moment type. Okay, okay, then when you send empty cylinder, 502 m will come. The interior is also this returnable transport package. What are the movement types will come? So 101, 501 m, 502 m. So 501 m when we receiving metal from vendor, that 101 plus 501 m will come. Whenever we sending metal back to vendor, then movement type is 502 m. See, like examples, if I will click here, automatically here movement type will come. See here, 501 m will come here automatically. I didn't enter here because this transport equipment linked to 501 m. Now we need to be enter material here. Now I'm cylinder, I cannot enter here. Whatever vendor is supplying cylinder, that should be there in first our material master. Then only system will accepting that materials. If without materials in metal master, vendor is supplying that cylinder, if you enter, system will not accept. So that is the reasons we need to be create first metals in our database. Even though metals is vendor, but we need to create that what is the value for that material. So let's examples now. Bharat cylinder. Okay, quantity. Let's examples. So 20 cylinders. Each cylinder may be 10 kgs. Okay, 10 into 20, 200 kgs. Next, where we are going to keep these cylinders, that is plant. D1 P1 storage locations D1 S1. Okay, here we need to be enter partner also. Here just enter here, go to partner, because this there isn't any link. If PO is there any cylinder, then automatically will come vendor. There isn't any link in purchase order vendor, this which vendor is supplying cylinders and us. That is the reasons we need to be enter here vendor. Bangalore vendor 9 is sorry 3 is our PO vendor. Okay, enter. Okay, now item. Okay, this is also goes to check any errors is there. Document is okay, post. Now see 501 m will come, because it will be adding our stock also, even though 501 m, because it will be adding. See, here it is minus because after we send it. The 501 plus will come. Document is created. Now we'll see MMBE, or maybe I will open another screen. See Bharat Gas, if I will execute, okay, 200 kgs is the stock. Now I'll go back, cylinder, see now, execute, it will show RTP. See here, RTP is written, this is material, it is not our stock. Whenever you receiving the stock also, it will directly not our stock. It's not our stock means it's not under unrestricted or quality inspection or block or any other stock types. it is directly written in receiving at LEH. So this is we created materials type at the time of MM01 we creating this material under type is a LEH. So that means this materials it goes to return to vendor. It is not our product. That is the reasons here it is showing is a RTP returnable transport package. After empty cylinders we need to send it back. You come back and see, then it will be 0 here because we already send it back, right? Then it will not show as a stock as a under here. Let's say examples. Now we use this gas or something, so maybe 15-20 days, so gas cylinders are over. So sometimes vendor is saying that emergency purpose, okay, if once 20 pieces it is there, okay, at least 10 once you finish let me know, I will come and pick it 10 pieces, then I will come back and next time 10 I will take it. Some company maybe vendors they will, okay, you give me one shot all the empty cylinders I will take it. Maybe if we wanted emergency then you will come and collect it. So if that is also we can send partially also. So how we can send it partially or full also? Let's say examples. Again we'll go to Imigo itself. Here goods receipt. Here we should select others. Here we need to be set 502. The 501 will come here. We just select here 502M. So sorry, 501 I should supposed to send. I will show you. See, 501M means receipt, okay, without purchase order into unrestricted RTP. Whenever we receiving material from with PO, I mean without PO, so this is we should select. Then 502M is here. It is reversal. That's it. So goods received without purchase order into unrestricted RTP reversal. See here. So whatever we send it back, it should be reversal. Here it's a directly there is no any reversal. When we receiving first time 501M and whenever we sending back that is a 502M is a reversal. We should select this moment type. Okay. Then here we need to be enter materials. Let's say examples bar cylinder. Okay, let's say examples 10 pieces. Now I will do partially. Then where again plant and store. Here we need to be 0 to M. Okay. Next plant D1 P1 storage location. When I enter here, vendor will ask which vendor we are sending this one. We need to be enter here vendor. Here. Bangalore vendor 3. Okay. So 10 pieces. Let's item okay. Post. Maybe this is system practice we are doing, but real time we will come and pick it up with maybe his person will come, so we'll just at the time of receiving time materials itself we will, it is a returnable item, so we will receiving under that. So once the job is done we will send it back to the vendor because materials is for them, so this is not our materials. We will go, we'll make the payment for only gas cylinders, is not our product. So now we'll see examples. Now goods receipt, we send it back 10 pieces. Now I'll refresh it here. It should come 10 pieces because 10 we already sent. Now balance is 10. When we use this 10 again also, we can send it back. So this is returnable transport package. Okay, next. So once this happen, empty cylinder we send it back. Next is a invoice verifications. Now that is MIRO. We'll go to okay. So we just enter invoice date today date. Let's examples. Enter PO number 672. Only here will come material cost 300 kgs into, sorry, 200 kgs into 360,000 will come value. Okay. Now we'll going to make the payment for vendor. That's examples. We'll go to select to tax code here. Yes, somebody's changed. 1 second. Okay, now we'll change this tax code or whatever we created. Okay, go to OBBG. Again, go to position, enter country India. You just somebody's created here. So these hours only D123 R50 so R A123 this and all hours. Okay, let's say on D123 I will take save. Okay, now again we'll go to invoice verification and just refresh MIRO. Okay, let's go to D1 is my tax code. Okay, here also I will select D1 immediately payment asking the date for vendor. Let's say example 25th July. Okay, now go to basic data. I will take tax amount column. So tax amount will come. Okay, let's enter 70,800 total amount. Okay. So this is RTP. So special procurements under that small topics are means it's a RTP pipeline. That's it. So what we discussed subcontracting, consignment, somewhat it is there in depth of you getting questions at the time of doing practice time also. But in next two topics are very depth is the two topics we need help from the SD teams. Without help from them, we cannot continue that two topics. What is the two topics means? Third party and STO. So before we going to discuss these two topics, we will discuss one topic, MM plus SD integrations. We have to do that first. Without MM and SD integrations, we will not continue that topic. First, we will go for MM SD integration, then we will see the third party and STO. Okay, so next means it's in Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday we will discuss MM and SD integrations. Then we can Tuesday, Monday we will discuss that, and next class third party will discuss. So two topics are pending under special procurements. The pending topics, if we need to complete, we should complete first MM and SD integrations. Without that, we cannot discuss the two topics. Okay.
Okay.
This I will share the video to you. You just send me the WhatsApp your what is that? It's any desk number. I will take remote desk and I will check that errors. Any doubt is there? This topic?
In this topic, no doubt, sir.
Okay. I will send this video to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.